Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make this shirt and tie origami out of a dollar bill. It's got the 3D tie. Go ahead and do it. First, you got to get you a pretty good dollar bill. Pretty crispy one. If you had a brand new one, it'd probably be the best one, but I'm going to use this one. Not bad. First thing we do, fold it right in half, just like that. Then, fold it like that. That's where we're at now. So now we're going to make our tie. Depends how thick you want your tie. We're going to fold half of it now. Just like this. Half of your tie. Like that. Then you turn it. Do the other half. So we're working on our tie. It goes from the up to this line right here. Okay, here's our tie. Now we unfold it and get your tie. See, that's our tie right there. So underneath here, we're going to fold this to the line of the tie right there. See how we did that? Other side, do the same. Like that. So, there's our tie. Now, right here where this crease is, we're going to fold it down and then tuck it in like that. So, that's where we're at now. I like to use like a credit card or anything like that to bring down your creases. Okay, that's where we're at now. Now we're going to fold it in half. Back in half, the way it was when you first folded it. Like that. Now we're going to tuck in this fold underneath the tie on both sides. So just tuck it in like this. Other side, tuck it in behind the tie. So now let's work on our collar. So this part right here, you're going to fold it up. Right where the white line is on your dollar, your trim. Fold it. And then we're going to bring this top of this right to the bottom of the tie right there. Like that. So that's where we're at now. Now we're going to work on our collar. So you fold this back halfway. That's one side of the collar. Then you fold the other side back. Just like so. Feel free to pause the video or rewind it. So that's where we're at now. We got the collar, we got the tie, look in the back. Okay, here's the tricky part. Right where the collar is, bring back, see the line right here, where this crease right here, that's where you're gonna make your sleeves. So it's kind of tricky. You just Move it back like that. And where the crease is, you kind of pinch a little sleeve. This takes some practice. So, see how we got one sleeve? Okay. You want your sleeves to be even, so I'll try to make them even. The back side of here. Get this. And you do a little pinch. Right there. Bring it down. Try to make your sleeves even. There's one sleeve, the other sleeve. This one's a little bigger, so let's kind of just tuck it in. Sleeves are pretty even. What do you think? Other side. Okay. This is the tricky part. You see here. Flip it around. This top right here is going to tuck underneath your collar here. See the collar right here? That's what's going to hold it together. So what we do here is we flip this to fit right underneath the collar here, like so. See that? Right underneath the collar. That's where we're at now. Then you bring this up around. So here we go. Up around. Tuck it in right there. So it's tucked in right now. Right there. Now you gotta fold this like so. That's pretty much it right there. Now you want to make the tie a 3D. So what you do here is you pinch the tie. See how I'm pinching it? So you turn it sideways, you got a 3D effect. There it is there. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.